the white woman, Elizabeth. She falls too hard for Bhuvan, and it's little unconvincing. Like everything in Lagan is suspension of disbelief, and I'm with it. The falling in love, I'm not getting. She's dancing and all, thinking about Bhuvan. Yeah, they can barely talk to each other.
It beats 1,000 words.
I
She feels
feel eternal bliss.
yaar. So how can you question someone's heart beat like feeling eternal bliss? Quick, other badly made film. Quick, Captain Tony Singh or something like that. I think the director is called Tony Singh.
You get into it. That song still plays in all matches in India.
Lehra do,
Lehra do.
I don't know what sarkashi means, but I feel it. I feel whatever sarkashi is. When Salman goes to propose
Oh
to
my
Priyanka
God,
Chopra at the
yes.
end, they cut to the dressing room and the commentary box and
man,
these guys.
yes, that's probably the best performance.
अरे क्या कर रहे हैं? Yeah, and Harbhajan Singh has a ये जाओ उसको दिल की बात बोलना or something like that.
That's probably the best performance.
प्यार का मामला है पाजी or something.
Bhaji.
Oh, nice clap.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome back to the Popcorn Hour. We are shooting an episode on a very, I feel like it unites India. It either unites you or divides you. It's cricket. We're going to discuss representation of cricket in Bollywood. And it's just Shantanu and I, which you love. Oh,
Yeah.
We love. We love
And
doing
we have
this.
Tushar Kapoor from Gayab with us, who will be silently. He has the body of Tushar Kapoor from Gayab and the voice of Tushar Kapoor from Golmaal. So he will be
he's
silent.
He's
So it is just us talking.
Thanks for joining us, Tushar. We appreciate it. Okay, yeah. So we're going to discuss cricket
Sure.
and Bollywood. Feel like it's just a fun topic to get into.
Huh.
Shantanu knows more about cricket than I do.
I
don't know
actually
shit
don't.
about
I think
cricket.
you know more about cricket than I do.
I can't even name 3 cricketers. I feel like I'll get like bats thrown at me, but I can't even name 3 current.
You know Ishant Sharma?
Yeah.
No, you're not. You're lying.
I know how.
But you know enough about cricket and movies, which is what we're here to
which
discuss.
is what matters.
ठीक है
Which is
यार.
what matters.
और
ठीक है.
बता.
Let's
बाकी
start with
कैसी है?
the.
How are you?
मैं ठीक हूँ तू?
All good. Good, yeah. I haven't met
Looking
you in a
good,
long
looking
time.
good.
Looking
Yeah,
good.
looking good.
Comments. I'll not say comments. Will do that. too.
Adam's Apple commentator. Yeah. So let's discuss with the main movie, ठीक है? Lagan. Lagan is the main cricket
film.
movie.
Sure.
I have a very stupid question to ask. I'm reducing Lagan to something very stupid.
हाँ.
But who was your favorite bowling style in Lagan? You know how there were different
हाँ, multiple.
ones?
There's Goli who is the...
There's one guy who does this. There's one guy who goes like this. There are many. Who's your favorite?
So I want to say it's a toss-up.
Huh.
It's because as my cricket, I have a favorite pacer and a favorite spinner from the film.
What's a pacer?
पेसर यार जो भाग के तेज
अच्छा,
तेज
भागता
बॉलिंग करते हैं
तेज
उनको
है।
फास्ट बॉलर
शोएब
आई हैव अ
अख्तर।
फेवरेट शोएब अख्तर करेक्ट पाकिस्तानी नाम मिले ना मैं फास्ट बॉलर हमारे भी तो थे जहीर खान आशीष नेहरा
him, yeah.
फास्ट बॉलर वाज देवा
Deva, the Sardar.
हाँ
Yeah,
who's also
yeah,
he's
yeah.
also Gajini.
Oh, he is or what?
He's Gajini. He's the villain in Gajini. He is Gajini in Gajini.
Oh man, I didn't know that.
Correct.
Okay,
So
okay,
Deva was very good. Had a nice wide chest, fast bowling action. Good steaming in. He used to come in. Took some wickets with the new ball, but then later couldn't take more wickets. And spin without a doubt, Kachra.
Same, I was going to say Kachra.
I don't know his
What an
real name. I
underdog.
wish I did.
His name is Kachra in the
Unfortunately.
movie. Yeah.
Yeah.
Even after he like succeeds in bowling and all, they still call him Kachra. They don't know change of name at all. They never.
I feel like the name was that. They would probably rechristen him later. But
They
he's
should
at
have.
least,
I feel like there should have been a little bit of
more
a,
inclusive society than we are
yeah,
now.
yeah.
So-
But I also recently saw the documentary, like the making,
The making
of Lagan.
of, जिसमें
which-
Nikhil Advani is doing so. Nikhil Advani नहीं, Apurva Lakhia.
Apurva Lakhia.
Apurva Lakhia is the
Lakhia.
chief AD
Yes,
now. He's doing
yes,
a lot of the
yes,
cricket choreography
yes,
and all
yes.
these things.
And whoever hasn't seen it, I feel like you all should watch it because it's a really well documented making of a movie. They literally recreated an entire village.
Yeah. Bhuj
yeah,
mein.
yeah. They
You should
did a
see the
lot.
making of the making of. They've
There's
really
one
documented the making of the making of Lagan.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna. That's a little too
Make-
self-indulgent. Like that's not. No.
It's not there. There's no such thing. I'm sorry. I'm just being stupid.
Okay, yeah. But Lagan, you remember watching it in the theater? Because I feel like it was
Obviously,
one.
यार.
You remember, na?
हाँ, मैंने गदर थिएटर में नहीं देखी थी because I
Same,
think was
मैंने
it a same day release?
There was some kind of clash
I
between
think
Lagan
it was a
and
Lagan
Gadar.
Gadar clash,
Correct.
and or maybe पता नहीं शायद maybe around the same
बता
time,
देना.
but we didn't go and see Gadar in the theater. My
I
parents.
also didn't.
Yeah. I think
I
Sunny
haven't seen
Deol, we
Gadar
didn't buy
yet.
tickets to watch Sunny Deol in the theater. Like, as a family, like
Amisha more, I feel like I wouldn't pay to watch a movie.
Lagan, but we were thrilled. And I remember there were 2 intervals.
Yeah.
There were 2 intervals. So one,
really?
Lagan had 2 intervals. at least in Chanakya, I remember they played. It was what, 4 hour runtime?
No, man, it can't be that long.
100% lambi film hai. Was it a
Oh.
lambi film? 4 hour runtime, right?
Must be, sure.
हाँ, 4
Doesn't
घंटे-
feel like it. I feel like it's a very engaging movie. I can watch, like I watched Lagan recently also this year, and I could easily get through it. I didn't have to fast forward or anything.
The cricket in itself, and it's interesting because apparently Ashutosh Gawarekar wanted to make a film about the freedom movement where cricket was incidental and it was only supposed to be 15
Oh,
minutes.
okay.
And he had gone to Shah Rukh, he'd gone to a bunch of actors, everyone had passed on it.
Wow.
And Amir said, I'll do the film only if you rewrite it, and at least 50 to 60% of the film is the
It's
match.
just cricket.
Ashutosh Gawarekar apparently apprehensive, didn't want to like, but Amir was like, this film will work only if it's a cricket film.
Yeah.
A weird format.
Yeah.
Because it's a one innings match played over 2 or 3 days, I think. They do the.
You're saying the format is not real actual. cricket
It's
format.
actually not domestic
Okay,
cricket
okay,
or whatever.
okay.
It's a एक innings जितने दिन खेल सकते हो, limited overs played over 2 days or 3 days, I think is how the. I don't tell me if I'm wrong ना. 3 days, one innings का match होता है, but still well done.
Yeah.
Because I remember it was the first time my mother, who has no interest in cricket at all. Even your mom has no
No, I
interest
also
in
don't
cricket.
have any
Correct. She, for the first time, I remember in the theater, was like, वो shot मार रहा है तो 2 लोग के भागने की क्या जरूरत है and all ना. So it really piqued the curiosity of a lot of people who weren't into the sport
Yeah. No, also like I feel like it's one of those movies similar to Chakte, any sports movie, I guess, where you know what the end will be, but you're invested in the journey full on. Like the moment in the theater when Russell catches and only he thinks he's won, but everyone else knows. You as an audience are with Russell. You don't know that we've lost, right? Like you really don't know. So I think like though it's a very collective experience. I feel like Lagan is something that you can watch around people and they'll be all that happens like very together, which is fun.
I like good British bashing films.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Fully.
I feel like that's the country we should be
तुम
bashing
हमारे
more,
पैर के
yaar.
जूते. हाँ, they are the right country to
That
critique.
is the country to
Correct.
get to aggressively bash. Like, I don't understand what the hell we're doing here. Ghus
Yeah.
ke, they whatever. Anyway, that being said,
Just swiftly, like, let's,
हाँ.
yeah.
So, Lagan was that. Lagan was also a great album.
I was just going to say the music is amazing.
Opalan Hare is one of my
Brilliant.
favorite songs.
Brilliant.
The complete surrender to God. And A.R. Rahman has made some of the most beautiful songs.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
Opalan Hare is, what is it? Nirgun o Nyare, the formless and the unique.
Oof.
We have the formless and the unique have no one but you or whatever. I'm a big fan of Lagan.
Yeah, same here. Even
He's
like,
making another cricket movie, Ashutosh Gawarekar.
yeah, you said you were going to
Yesterday,
say.
they've made an announcement
They've
that they're
finalized
making
it.
a film about friendship and cricket where
Very nice.
Farhan Akhtar has been signed on. Amir is acting. Ashutosh
Oh.
Gawarekar is directing. And Farhan Akhtar has just signed on yesterday
Banger.
to play a Pakistani cricketer in it.
Damn, but gutsy.
हाँ, अब
Very
क्या है?
gutsy.
अब हो ही गया
Now
उससे।
he's like, I'll just surrender to
अब
this.
वैसे ही अगर
I'll polarize people. He's like, I'm in my
good
polarization
यार,
era.
good man.
Just one thing about Lagan, which I thought slight avoidable angle. Why she falls so deeply in love with Bhuvan, the
Gauri?
white woman? No,
No,
Gauri.
Gracie Singh.
I understand they've grown up together, they love each other and all that. The white woman, Elizabeth, she falls too hard for Bhuvan. And
Yeah.
it's little unconvincing. Like everything in Lagan is suspension of disbelief and I'm with it. The falling in love, I'm not getting. She's dancing and all thinking about Bhuvan, yaar. They can barely talk to
Her
each other.
heart, it beats 1,000 words. She
I
feels
feel
eternal bliss, yaar. How can you question someone's heart be like feeling eternal bliss?
No, man. Like, I'm like, they can't talk to each other. What is she falling in
Okay,
love?
white women falling in love with Amir.
Is a theme in his.
White women fall in love with Amir. Who do you think should be falling in love with Amir? What's more convincing? Sue falling for DJ? Sue falling for DJ
Yeah.
or
Sue
Rachel McShelley
falling for
falling?
DJ any day, dude. He's
Sue?
a funny. Yeah. Sue kar mere man ko. No, that's very convincing.
Miss College, Miss University, that shit. You're saying some
Hasi,
BBC
hasi to fasi.
the BBC documentarian is coming to India and she's just like, yo, this is my boy. Huh?
He's funny. He's a
Ek
funny
Murtal
guy. He's
paratha
the
kha
life
ke-
of the group. It's completely understandable. And his arc is really cool when he has that moment in Rang De Basanti where he breaks down
Sue
and all.
would date Karan. Sue would date.
No, they're too
Siddharth.
quiet. People can't be together. You need a DJ in a relationship. You're the
You
DJ in your relationship.
I'm the DJ in my relationship, sure.
The dignified one is Shreya. So.
She's Sue.
But yeah, back to Lagan. So basically, I feel like Lagan was the first sports film I saw. I feel like
Okay.
I've said this enough number of times. I'm not a very sports. I don't watch a lot of sports, but it's the
okay.
first one that I saw, and I really liked it, and I can rewatch Lagan a couple of times.
Sure.
After that, I feel like the next one I saw was Seedha Dhoni. I directly watched Dhoni, which was a cricket movie.
खासा 14-15 साल तक
बहुत
कोई
लंबे
sports
टाइम तक
movie-
मैं स्पोर्ट्स मूवी ऐसे क्रिकेट वाली आई डिडंट
So
वॉच.
you
I'm
didn't
sure
watch
there were
Victory
lots.
basically. Harman Baweja
Harman
की
Baweja, I
Victory.
missed. I
Dil
missed
Bole
that.
Hadipav, Shahid Kapoor.
Yeah, I watched that. I don't remember it, but yeah. So I think we should talk about biopics and cricket because I feel like that is something Bollywood consistently over a period of time tries to do.
You want to look at it from the lens of Dhoni,
Dhoni, Azhar,
Dhoni, Azhar, and
83.
Caps 83.
83. Yeah.
Dhoni, Azhar 83.
Yeah.
Okay,
Let's
you've seen
discuss
all
Dhoni.
these three.
I've seen. I've not seen Azhar. I'm sorry.
Not a
I'm
lot of
Bhai
people
fan.
have seen Azhar.
Yeah, my mom and sister saw it, but I have not watched it.
Imran Hashmi is actually not very bad as Azhar. The film is just very bad. Like it's not very well made. That
But doing
director
Azhar first, or what?
Tony Singh. No, we'll start with we'll
Dhoni.
do Azhar. Let's work up to Dhoni.
ठीक है, let's do Azhar.
Let's do
You
Azhar.
can say.
You've not seen. Okay, quick Azhar badly made film. Quick. Captain Tony Singh or something like that. I think the director is called Tony
Please
Singh.
be more opinionated.
Imran Hashmi, yeah, it's a badly made movie. Nargis, they for some reason they prioritized. I think it was a Balaji production. It was a Balaji production.
Okay.
And they prioritized like weird things, like the fixing thing. They kind of just skimmed over, but they really double clicked on the Sangeeta Bijlani.
Nargis Fakhri is playing
Nargis
her.
Fakhri, and the first wife was played by
Prachi Desai.
Yeah, and Azhar's actual story has a lot more meat. Azhar has a
sure.
teenage son who died. ये सब कुछ नहीं दिखाया. And Azhar lost an 18-year-old. His son was 18 years old and died in a biking accident. वो सब नहीं दिखाया. They just did lot of like full Emmy bhai.
Is it a cricket forward movie though? Like, do they show as cricket? You know how Dhoni is a cricket forward.
नहीं. It's not. It's not Imran Hashmi's best cricket film.
Okay. Jannat.
That's what I'll say. We'll get there.
Jannat
We'll get there.
Okay.
We'll get there. We are not chapterizing our
So
talk
Azhar
that
not
way,
a very
so
good
we'll not.
biopic.
Azhar
but-
not a good biopic.
Okay.
Second, we'll do 83.
83 we can do.
You've seen?
I've seen 83. I feel like it's a fun movie. I don't remember much of it. It's one of those movies that I saw and nothing stuck from
I
the
love
movie.
83.
Okay.
I love 83. 83, a lot of like, I don't know, the filmmakers or very sort of discerning audience that sees 83 is of the opinion that the cricket matches that they were showing, they felt like its treatment, Kabir Khan, was slightly document like a
'Cause
like
he's a documentary filmmaker.
documentary and aesthetic.
Yeah.
मैं उसमें था where it would be match, one scene match, and like deeply histrionic performance by Ranveer Singh. Amazing performance by Ranveer Singh, but the cricket and all मैंने वो actually as a cricket fan देखे नहीं है ना matches.
हाँ, अच्छा, you also haven't,
No,
or?
in
For
fact, you
people
know,
who
my
don't
dad.
know.
No, मैंने वो matches नहीं देखे हैं. 83 के matches
पुराने
नहीं देखे हैं.
matches,
यार,
why
I
would you?
was
हाँ.
born almost a decade later. My father, who had seen all the matches, came with me, and he was not a Ranveer Singh fan until then. You know how like parents took some
Slightly
time to get to
skeptical.
Ranveer Singh. Like my parents are very Ranveer over Ranveer
Sure,
people.
sure.
They saw 83 and they were they were like, oh shit, this guy can act, man. Like it was unsettling how good
Yeah.
he was.
Yeah,
And
no,
like
he
I
was
feel
good.
like Ranveer gets all this Sanju praise, which I
Yeah.
think was like SNL sketch.
I did not enjoy
It
Sanju
was
at all.
like an SNL sketch like type of performance
Yeah.
what Ranveer and Sanju did.
Yeah.
But this was really in his he was really caps.
We here to win.
To win the World Cup.
What as we here for?
The thing that stays with me from 83 is the most inane thing. Deepika Padukone's wig is very like distracting.
Romy. But she had to look like Romy.
But the wig is little
Romy?
distracting.
Is that her name? Yeah, Romy.
Kapil Dev's wife.
Romy ji.
Yeah. Her
Bhamika
wig-
Gabbi is also there.
Oh, she's in it.
She plays, I think, this one's wife. Mohinder Amarnath's wife or someone she plays. Saqib's.
Maybe what
Saqib or
83
Amy Wirk's wife. I think.
Maybe what 83 took for granted is the current audience who's watching it will understand how important that moment was. They should have dialed up the drama around that because it's quite it's a subtle movie.
That's the problem. That's
है ना?
what people say. People say
Yeah.
it's flat.
Yeah.
But I'm like,
dial up how important this moment was and make it a little more like dramatic, theatrical, emotional, and all of that. Then I feel like people today would have understood how important that biopic is. Right now, it just felt like it came
dialing
and
up
went. We don't
a
know.
very national, like a moment of national pride,
Yeah.
being underplayed needs to be celebrated more than anything
I
else in
agree.
this climate.
I agree,
yaar.
I agree.
Like otherwise, they could have gone chest thumping and all, but they didn't.
No, just the emotional, not in a hyper masculine way. They could have just driven up the emotion. I don't know. I remember not
I
able to
cried.
fully get into it.
जीतेगा, जीतेगा.
That song still plays in all matches in India.
लहरा दो, लहरा दो. I don't know what sarkashi means, but I feel it. I feel whatever sarkashi is.
Why
when
did
I-
83 not do well other than this?
Omicron.
Oh, it released
Omicron.
during
They
that
had
time.
the 1+1 and there was वो one gap छोड़ के theater रखना पड़ता था.
Oh,
I think it was
cricket
made
movie ऐसे नहीं दिख
थोड़ा
सकते
bloated
यार.
cost पे भी था. It had landed at some 200, 250 landing. It must have still made 180, 200
It just
crores.
didn't make a big splash the way that
The
one would
way-
expect cricket and Bollywood
They
and
would
all
have
of
been
that.
expecting कि फट
फाड़
जाएगा.
दे,
They would
फाड़
have
दे,
thought
फाड़
कि
दे.
this is his the animal, not animal, but his basically the one that catapults him.
Yeah.
to
It's his first
stardom.
biopic also, na? Ranveer Singh's.
Yeah, I mean,
First and
I
last,
guess if
I
you
guess.
consider Gully Boy to be
No,
some
no,
type
no.
of
That's
Nazi.
not. No, that's like a.
Nazi daba.
Nazi daba.
Nazi
किधर है भाई?
daba.
किधर है?
किधर
हाँ,
है?
okay, fine. So I feel like we've discussed Azhar and 83. Azhar don't watch. 83 watch and appreciate for the
धोनी के
subtlety.
बारे में कुछ बताओ.
Now Dhoni has.
You tell.
I can say I have a little like a strong opinion on Dhoni.
Course.
I think good movie, of course, great acting. So Sushant Singh Rajput fully killed it in that movie.
Yeah.
The only one thing that I didn't like about the movie is he's playing this, like, because it's a biopic, I feel like it should have been there should have been more humility in the love angle part. Because it felt like both the girls are head over heels over Dhoni way too quickly. And he's this very held back, stoic, I'm not really going to emote how much I like you. You like me more than I like you. I feel like that happened a little too strongly in Dhoni, and it took me out of the movie.
You
a
can
little
blame
bit.
one of the two, I think, because I feel like in the first one,
Disha Patni.
in the
wala.
first one, he's a little enthused. Like he talks to her on the flight, and he's like, "मैं थोड़ा कल newspaper में पढ़ लेना मेरा नाम," and he's putting moves.
आपका नाम?
कल टीवी पे देख लीजिएगा मैडम.
And she dies, so he's a bit of a stoic when it comes to Kiara. Like he's feeling that
He's a little stoic with Disha Patni also. Eventually, she's the
But
one who
वो तो
does
धोनी
izhar
ऐसा
of
है.
pyar
He's
and all
famous
that.
for being stoic. Yeah,
But then
Dhoni
I
is a
don't-
man who never expressed himself
See,
on the field.
you can show stoicism and you can show some guy who's not very emotive, but still show that he's really cares about her. It's not like she's leaning forward way more than he is, right? You can be a shy guy and still emote that. I feel like Dhoni it just felt like Disha Patni is way more into Dhoni than Dhoni.
I'll tell you, like Dhoni, Virat, the difference. Virat expresses himself passionately on the field, and he expresses himself to Anushka when she's in the crowd. Nah,
Yeah.
he's like blowing kisses and dancing.
Sure.
Dhoni is also there, like his daughter, wife, and all are always
course.
Sakshi and all are always
Yeah.
there. Ziva, but he will not. He's always very like quiet. He'll never acknowledge them. Even on the field, if you take a wicket, Dhoni never loses his like. He's like
a
just.
calm,
he
cool
was
shot.
born PR trained. He was born PR trained. Like
Yeah.
he's got prime minister qualities in him.
Okay.
I think
That's a bold-
not
Okay.
that I know his politics or endorse. For all you know,
We don't
probably
know, we
not.
don't-
Yeah,
we
हाँ.
don't know, we don't know.
मेरे को नहीं पता. But I'm saying he's got the stature,
The demeanor
and
of a public
the demeanor
figure
of
is what
someone
you're
who is more than Virat.
Sure.
Like Virat has jungly love.
Virat
because
Kohli biopic I would watch.
yeah.
Dial up the love angle in that. That's the part I would watch. anyway.
Virat Kohli biopic will be a great
है ना?
one.
I would watch.
Will be a great
yeah.
one. And
He
I'll
can
be-
play himself. I think he can act well.
Virat Kohli is a
He's
better
good in his-
actor than the people who will be trying to play him. At least with Varun Dhawan and Kartik
Yeah,
Aaryan
there are
cannot
2-3
do that
contenders.
Manyavar ad
Correct,
where he
correct,
does the
correct.
there's a walk and talk shot of
Very
him
good.
doing इनके घर पे ईद उनके घर पे दिवाली वो कितना कार्तिक आर्यन कितना हैम करता उसको सोच और क्या चाची I don't know what the fuck Varun Dhawan would do.
But Dhoni, you don't have any opinion on what?
I do.
Say?
I think Dhoni was a well-made film. It also like skimmed over like some of the like controversy. Like it ended at a point where it was a highlight. I think uske baad there was some CSK drama. The only drama actually that's happened with Dhoni has been there were some spot fixing allegations or something with CSK. And the franchise that he represented was banned for 2 years
Okay.
and all. He wasn't involved, but clearly he was dealing with a company that was kind of shady or had been doing something shady. That they stopped the timeline of the film before that. I think it's just one of those films that was elevated by too good a performance. Like the film
I agree.
relied entirely
On
on
his performance.
like our Sushant Singh
Yeah.
Rajput just like
Yeah.
lugging that
Yeah.
along.
Yeah, I agree.
And Sushant Singh Rajput is just so good that and in fact in any cricket related, like in fact
Kai Poche.
Kai Poche.
We love Kai Poche. We love Kai Poche.
Great cricket movie.
Great cricket movie.
Sushant movie. What a debut.
what a debut.
We didn't discuss
Rao
him in
was
the
also
debut.
it. Rajkumar.
Rajkumar-
Because he was in TV for a while. So we were
But
trying
film
to talk
debut,
about... Haan, okay,
वो
fine.
तो it's even sadder.
Yeah,
If you
yeah.
do TV, there's a stick there. You have to.
Sure.
There's a stigma. They don't
Sure.
want to put you in films and
Yeah,
all.
yeah.
He had to break through that. Thankfully, the
Kaipoche
cast.
using cricket as a symbol of like humanity, unifying different
It's the only
sets of
decent book
people.
that fellows also.
It's a great book, by the way. I read it in a day and I cried.
It's a decent book. I remember school mein tha, I read it.
Very good book.
I remember thinking, oh, this is not. I remember I handed it to my parents. I'm like,
Yeah.
hey, do you want to read
Yeah.
something
Don't
I
hate
read?
me for watching this, for
Don't,
reading
I
this.
handed it, then I'm like, Dad, your mom read
Yeah,
this
yeah,
book,
yeah,
and then
yeah.
what is this? I'm like, Chetan Bhagat.
Yeah, yeah.
I introduced them to Chetan Bhagat through this.
It's also such a good ending in Kaipoche when it ends with the kid who Sushant Singh Rajput's character saves. He's playing for the Indian cricket team, and that's how the movie kind of ends.
In
right?
the
It's-
book, the kid's cricket career gets kharab.
Yeah,
उसको
thank
लग
God
जाती
they
है.
redeemed that in the movie now because it's ultimately
Very
it's such a
sad
heavy
film.
movie. Yeah, you need to end it with a sense of hope.
Sushant Singh Rajput playing a Hindu boy who gets shot by while trying to save a young Muslim boy. He was a real like progressive humanitarian icon in his cinema,
Yeah.
whether it was Kedarnath or Sonchidiya or this.
Kaipoche.
True,
Yeah.
true hero.
True hero.
Through and through.
True hero.
Love
and like
you, miss you.
very clearly sharing his value system through the choices of movies that he made. Which
Correct.
hard respect.
Hard respect for
respect. We
Sushant's
miss you and-
value
yeah,
system.
yeah,
Yes,
we
let's move.
respect
We are
you.
done. Done with
Okay,
Dhoni.
Done with Dhoni.
Yeah.
So we've done the biopics, right? The 3 biopics.
Huh.
Okay, after that, let's get a little the dirty side of cricket,
Yeah,
which
yeah.
is Jannat Jahan.
Talking about my favorite movie.
Sona Chauhan is also very good.
It's
in
my
it.
second favorite Imran Hashmi film.
Which is the first
Obviously,
Avarapan.
Avarapan.
Sorry,
Without
my
a
bad.
doubt.
I
Just
feel like
shut
I
up.
should. How
Shut
could I
up,
even
huh?
ask this
खुद
question
को दोस्त
to you?
बोलती है मेरा कैसी दोस्त है कभी 2 हफ्ते पहले तो 2 बजे रात को देखो तेरा मेरा
आवारापन।
रिश्ता का वीडियो दिखा के I've been crying to you saying it is his connection with God that this song is about not about a
Oh
girl.
my god. Yeah. Jannat showed the dirty side of Bollywood with an inside edge double clicked on.
It's greed, nah. It's like that. It's a match fixing story set in a lower middle class story of greed,
Yeah.
nah, which Imran Hashmi nailed.
Nails.
He just wants to break out of the shackles of his chawl upbringing and is like, I'll compromise on morals so that
Yeah.
I have a Rolex and all.
अभी तो सिर्फ कर्ज अदा हुआ है अभी तो गाड़ी भी खरीदनी है क्योंकि कार के बिना प्यार नहीं हो सकता
And Jannat ka match fixing is interesting because I think the insight they were picking up on was Hansi Cronje.
What's that?
हैंसी क्रॉनिया साउथ अफ्रीका का कैप्टन हुआ करता था
Okay.
जो एक मैच फिक्सिंग नहीं हैंसी क्रॉनिया नहीं बॉब वुल्मर हैंसी क्रॉनिया एंड बॉब वुल्मर दिस वाज व्हेन द बिग मैच फिक्सिंग हैड broken out in India
Okay.
was which had
This is IPL or?
No. International cricket mein this had happened
That's
where
crazy.
Hansi Cronje was a South Africa captain who had gotten accused of match fixing.
Okay.
And around that, phone taps and all that started happening around them is when Azhar and in fact, they doffed their hat towards Azhar.
Ha, there is a moment
There's
like
a
that.
cricketer
in
who
Jannat.
there is a
Yes.
cricketer who is obsessed with watches and ties.
Yeah,
जिसको वो जाके बोलता भी
Yeah.
आपको बहुत घड़ियों का शौक है ना, and that was famously what Azhar used to. Azhar had a Rolly collection. But Bob Woolmer, the Pakistan cricket coach, died because he got embroiled or like he had found out about some of the stuff that the Pakistan cricket team was doing, and that is there in the climax of Jannat before whatever happens to Imran Hashmi. No
What
spoiling.
happens though? I completely forgot.
In Jannat?
Yeah. In the end, what
He
happens?
spirals out of control. He tries to reform himself.
Huh.
He can't. Then he gets from betting into becomes a bookie, then becomes a match fixer. And then he basically decides to give up because his friend kills a guy, this coach, and he's running away and he wants to surrender. And the cops come and he's like, hey, I want to surrender. I want to go back to the love of my life. They're like, put your hands up and drop your gun. So he pulls out his gun to drop it and put his hands. But while he's doing it, the engagement ring he's bought for Sonal Chauhan at the start when he sings Zara Si Dil Mein De Jaga Tu drops. And so he places his gun down, then he sees his gun,
he's
and
trying
the
to pick
ring
up
is there. He's trying to pick up the ring for her, and they shoot him dead. And then as he falls, he just picks up the ring, and he's like, hey, this is what I was going for. And I'm crying just at the thought
Oh, no.
of, yeah, sad.
Sad.
कुछ
But
है.
nice because they're showing what are the repercussions of like doing all this
He's
terrible
so
stuff.
good. I have unpopular opinion
Jason.
about this movie Raees, okay,
Oh.
which has nothing to do
Where
with
did you
cricket,
come up? Huh?
but is a Shah Rukh Khan movie.
Yeah, of course.
Any day as a studio exec, I would be like, this is not a Shah Rukh Khan film. Toss him out
Imran.
and put Imran Hashmi.
I'm getting a vibe.
Raees is a start to end an Emmy Bhai film
I'm getting a
where
vibe.
Shah Rukh was miscast.
Sure.
That movie deserved. It would have been mounted at a
Sure.
smaller scale, would have made
Very
3x the
bold.
profit that Raees did. That is a story meant for Emmy Bhai. But anyway,
Little
enough
once upon
about-
a time in Mumbai, but take it to Gujarat or something like that.
That's what it was,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
and you have
yeah.
no empathy. Anyway, Raees we'll discuss
ठीक है.
when we discuss
Whatever
Rahul Dholakia.
genre,
Our Rahul
whatever
Dholakia
genre.
episode. We will discuss Lakeer.
Lucky.
Forbidden lines.
Some lines are meant
No,
to be
that's a
crossed.
different Lakeer.
Okay,
He's done a different.
Okay.
No, not Lakeer. Lamha. He's done 2-3 films. Lamha, Parvania. I don't know.
Let's also discuss, because we're discussing cricket, I just remembered. Cricketers who've become actors, or at least done some movies, right?
Just one Salil Ankola, we're going to drop hard on
No,
everyone.
there's also another one. Selena Jaitley is in
Ajay
that movie.
Jadeja.
Ajay Jadeja.
Khel.
Khel.
Yeah.
Khel.
Yeah,
Khel.
yeah. That has a cameo of Vinod Kambli in it also.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
मैनू
Vinod
चढ़
Kam-
गई रे शराब
Is that what they think? Sharabbe Naal.
शराब बिना I don't know what is this
I wasn't Punjabi, so I would like be scared of saying these because I would say them wrong
yeah. I'm
in,
probably
in
also
a
saying
boys'
it wrong.
school. Sharab
Sharab
Naal
Naal.
is terrible.
Yeah.
It's a horrible film.
Have
Ajay
you seen the
Dev-
movie?
Yeah, of course.
It's one of my guilty
Sanj.
pleasures. Sanj.
Some Sanj movie, right?
Who's
Sunil-
half robot. I'm convinced that character
Sunil
is not a
Shetty with
human
the
being.
goatee.
Sunil Shetty with multiple looks, also completely psychotic in the movie. Yeah.
Sanj?
Full psychotic.
Sanj. I love you, Sanj.
But actually, Ajay Jadeja is the bigger psycho in the movie. He's this guy who he's like, I don't care about material things. I'm a very nice guy. So his house is perennially open. He's like, मेरा घर खुला ही रहता है, कोई भी आके रह सकता है. जैसे ये देखो चिड़िया मेरे
Like
घर पे
Hardik
रह रही है.
Pandya's hotel
देखो.
room.
He has broken furniture and he's like, मैं फर्नीचर को नहीं निकालता क्योंकि ये मेरा साथ देते हैं. So let's say this chair breaks. Ajay Jadeja's character will not get rid of the chair. He's like, ये मेरा साथ, ये मुझे साथ देगा life में. That's the character who
I just
Sanj
know-
falls in love with.
क्या है ना, इतने सालों से हम एक दूसरे को देख रहे हैं, समझ रहे हैं, एक रिश्ता सा बन गया.
Ajay Dev Jadeja in that movie has like one dialogue, which is the emotional beat, where he realizes Sunil Shetty was obsessing over Selena Jaitley, who was in love with him, and he has to just say that, "Yaar, you should have told me." And I just remember he going like, "Kya yaar, apne yaar ko bol ke to dekhta," or something like that is what he says. And otherwise, you know, he's quite a charming guy when he comes on podcasts and all. He's like a prince or something.
Really?
He's like royal family. अभी
I would never
currently
guess
वही-
after watching
वही
खेल.
राजस्थान का कहीं का प्रिंस है.
खेल के बाद
अजय
crowd
सिंह
never.
जी, Jadeja Singh ji or something his name is. He is like royal family and commentary में he's got little presence. He's a decent looking guy and all of that. He's not a bad looking guy, but in the
I
movie
only know him through Khel. I feel like I don't know
You
anything
don't know him
else
as a
about
cricketer?
him. Not at all.
वो भी मैच फिक्सिंग में पकड़ा गया था. I think 5 साल का बैन भी लगा था ना. 5 साल का बैन भी लगा था.
Damn.
That's when he was pulling
Any
out.
other cricketers done a movie?
Yeah. Salil Ankola was a very big cricketer. Oh, well, whatever. Very big is a strong way to
Was
put
a
it.
cricketer.
Was a cricketer. And he acted in a movie. He acted in a bunch of films. He did one film as a hero, which tanked, I think. Then he was the villain in Zayed Khan's debut called Chura Liya
चुरा
Hai
लिया तुमने.
Chura Liya Tumne was Zayed and Isha.
चुरा लिया है तुमने.
I said it wrong. Huh? Chura Liya Hai.
Slightly.
South Indian.
टपोरी accent.
चुरा लिया
चुरा
है.
लिया है तुमने.
हाँ, चुरा लिया तुमने में का विलन था सरेल
Oh.
अंकोला. Vinod Kambli's acted, Ajay Jadeja's acted, this guy's acted.
Brett Lee has done a song with Asha Bhosle.
And Harbhajan Singh and Dinesh Karthik have done some crazy reaction shots in the climax of Mujhse Shaadi Karogi. When Salman goes to propose
Oh
to
my
Priyanka
God,
Chopra at the
yes.
end, they cut to the dressing room and the commentary box and these guys.
Yes, that's probably the best
अरे क्या
performance.
कर रहे हैं? Yeah, and Harbhajan Singh has a ये जाओ उसको दिल की बात बोलना है or something like that. He
That's
does.
probably the best
प्यार
performance
का
by
मामला है
cricketer.
पाजी or something.
भज्जी.
वो बोलना यार मुझसे शादी करोगी बोल दे.
और नहीं करेगा तो मैं कर लूंगा.
Good one. This is a good callback. I completely forgot about Mujhse. ठीक है.
Yeah.
I feel like there's another there's another theme that gets very, like, it clashes with cricket a lot, which is father-son stories in cricket. Two movies come to mind. Patiala House, where Akshay Kumar and Rishi Kapoor are
take that
slightly
one.
warring. I've seen it. I think it's a fun, entertaining movie. Akshay Kumar is playing for the UK team, some kind of...
दूसरा
I don't
Jersey
know
है ना?
shit about... and Jersey is also some father-son stories, what I've understood. I haven't seen the movie.
I like Jersey.
You like Jersey?
I
alright.
like the Telugu Jersey a lot more than
Oh, it's
the
a remake movie?
हाँ, Nani. The best Telugu, one of the best Telugu actors, Nani. They call him natural star Nani.
Oh.
Because Telugu films में लोग
Alliteration.
इतना बड़ा acting करते हैं, grand acting करते हैं. Nani is the only actor who's like a regular, वो ऐसे बात करता है
Got
screen
it,
पे
got it,
normally.
got it.
So they call him natural star Nani.
Which one is better?
Nah, Jersey. No.
Jersey is better?
That Jersey is better. That's also Jersey only. Nani's Jersey is
they're
better.
both Jersey. Okay,
They're
okay,
both
okay.
Jersey. They're the same director.
Tell a little bit
You
what the
tell about
theme-
Patiala House.
I tell
first.
Patiala House. Basically, multiple themes. One is like this idea of being an NRI and you'll always feel like an outsider. And like trying to hold on to your traditional Indian identity versus this guy who's trying to play for the UK team. And Rishi Kapoor is very uncomfortable with that idea.
Hardcore is involved in this somehow.
Hardcore is one of the sisters, yes.
Okay,
yes, she's
but
the
sorry,
rapper
just
sister.
had to come
Yeah.
in. Rapper-
Yeah, she's
Rapper
in
sister.
it. Her only movie, I feel like, yeah. So the story is pretty nice, yeah. It's basically like he hides from his father
कि वो
and they keep
UK
hiding his face.
That he's an international
That
cricketer.
he's an international cricketer. They keep hiding the newspaper. Every time he's mentioned, they're hiding it from the
What is
family. The
this
entire
Vipul
family
Shah
gets
coded
into
movie,
it.
yaar?
Little Vakt energy, yeah. But it's there. And I think what really works in it is that in the end, सब ठीक हो जाता है. Like,
Rishi
through
Kapoor
cricket,
allows him to play for UK.
eventually.
I've seen this film. Isn't
Because
this
he
the film?
realizes that it's actually unifying the Indian diaspora in the UK
But was
also.
Rishi Kapoor also aspiring to play for the UK cricket team but was
He has
faced
a no,
discrimination?
he has a, yeah.
Is
And
it
he
a
has a
Baman
racist
Is it a Baman Irani in
goal.
Dandanadan goal
Dandanadan
type
goal.
situation?
Yeah.
I remember
Yeah,
vaguely because
yeah.
this is a film I've seen in pieces.
Yeah, no, it's a nice,
pieced it-
it's an entertaining, quick watch movie.
Good songs. It has a
Yeah.
great song called Kyun मैं जागूं
Correct.
ना पूछे कहाँ.
It's also Akshay Kumar playing a slightly awkward guy, which he doesn't do very often. And in this movie, I think he's pulled it off. He's not looking Akshay
Anushka
Kumar-y.
Sharma movie?
Yeah. She looks like his niece in the movie, but that's a separate matter.
राधिका मदान कौन सी उसकी उम्र की लगती है?
That's one. You tell about Jersey. I don't know anything about Jersey.
Okay, Jersey is an interesting film
Hmm.
because Jersey is the story of a man who has a man who's failed.
Okay.
A man who wanted to be a cricketer.
Okay.
His cricket career has not taken off. He's not able to do anything else now in life. So he's basically like he's not like his wife works.
Huh.
He's a self-embraced loser.
Okay.
Basically, that's what he is.
Okay.
He's like cricket didn't work out for me, so अब मैं cricket नहीं खेल रहा.
Okay.
And he has a son, and उसके बेटे का birthday होता है, and he wants to buy a jersey. So he goes and they're like 500 रुपए, and then he goes and asks his wife, "Can I have 500?" She's like, "I can't afford it. You don't work. We can't afford it." And completely fair. वो घर चला रही है. This guy is doing nothing. Like he's
Yeah.
just kind of faffing away time.
Yeah.
Then to make money, he plays one district match.
Okay.
One local match जहाँ 500 रुपए देते हैं.
Okay.
He plays so well that he comes back into the fray, starts playing cricket again. Wife is not happy. Wife has gotten him a job. She's like, "Yo, we need the money. ये घर नहीं चल रहा
Okay.
तुम्हारा. Come on, get your shit together. I'm working double shifts at the hotel. She's in hospitality or something." And he's like, मैं मर जाऊंगा, मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगा. I
His
can
full
only play
passion.
cricket. I can
हाँ.
only play cricket.
हाँ.
He plays cricket and basically eventually rises to do well enough in cricket. I think रणजी कुछ तो वहां तक पहुंच जाता है. रणजी तक
Big
पहुंचता
deal
है.
यार, हाँ.
It's not some crazy कि वो इंडिया कॉल अप आ जाता है or whatever. But I know the interesting thing about the film is it ends with he's dead. And he's been told that he has a heart condition
Okay.
where if he plays, he's got arrhythmia, but like pushed to
Okay.
a point where if he exerts himself or does any type of put stress on his heart, he'll die.
Okay.
And the film ends with him making a choice that I would rather my family see me once not as a loser in my element doing what I do best so that they can remember me as a happy
glory.
non-loser in
Yeah.
my glory who's dead,
Sure.
then continue to live the pathetic life where both
Sure.
my wife and son had no respect for me. So it can be
But
polarizing.
like the main thing is the son and father thing. Yeah? Like he's
Little-
broadly doing it for the son.
Yeah, I feel
Okay.
it was a decent OT. Like it would have done well. It's just that a lot of people had like. It was good. He batted. It was a good film. It was my
Okay.
consensus is strong 6.5, 7 on 10.
That's not too bad.
Shahid Kapoor is good. in it. Of course,
Does he play cricket also like that?
no, yaar, he actually bats very well.
Okay,
To be fair to him, he bats very
he's a
well.
good
Like,
actor, yeah,
he
yeah.
would really want a Virat biopic, no?
He looks the part also.
He
I
would
feel
want-
Like. Yeah,
he
yeah,
would
yeah, yeah.
want that.
I think all of Bollywood would want it, dude.
Ah,
It would blow up. Like that
Varun
movie
Dhawan
would go
want it.
crazy. Yeah.
They would all want, but Shahid, I think, he was batting very well.
Got it.
In it, like it was looking good while batting and all, flexing muscles and batting. But he, so Jersey was that. It was
Okay.
that story of a
Okay,
man
got it.
seeking death,
respect from his family
respect
through
of
passion.
child,
हाँ,
respect of child and wife.
Sweet.
Why it was polarizing was the Mrunal's character and Shraddha Srinath's character in the original. Both are actually little thoda vilified for why don't
God.
you little bit why don't you get that, oh my god, why are you asking him not to play cricket again, why must he give up on his dream
'cause
again,
they fucking need
because
food
वो
on
10
their
साल से
plate.
10 साल से वो घर like चला रही है. हाँ, so that I know you,
Yeah.
as I know you, and if you Ayush, Shreya and I went to watch the film, I know you
I
and
would be
Shreya
team Mrunal.
would be like
Yeah,
full.
yeah.
I was like, sweetie to tha yaar, he just wanted one good moment so that he's not a
मतलब
loser.
whatever his choice is passion driven and it's self-indulgent. He shouldn't
Filmmaking
say that
makes
I'm
her
doing.
a little bit. It's lopsided in his favor.
Yeah, and I feel like the takeaway should not be I'm doing this for my wife and children. I'm doing it for myself. I want them to remember me like this. Not
Correct.
मैं तुम्हारे लिए. That's annoying.
That was my takeaway.
Yeah.
But I'm sure you would watch it and be like, thoda to ghadiya husband, ghadiya.
But I'll tell you the worst cricket film that I've seen. Okay,
हाँ.
Mr. and Mrs. Mahi.
Oh, ये मैंने नहीं देखी.
Bro.
I didn't have the courage. This is
Bro,
Janvi Kapoor
Janvi
playing cricket.
Kapoor. The thing I remember the most about Mr. and Miss Mac after watching the movie is her interviews where she's like, I broke 5 muscles I practiced so much and I rehearsed so much, I broke muscles. I'm like, but why should I care about that if in the movie you were not good? Like, why
Mr.
does your prep matter? I don't know how much Sushant Singh Rajput prepped for Dhoni. I watched the movie and I appreciated his performance. I don't know how much he prepped for it. Versus Mahi, the only thing about Mahi is that she prepped for it. I don't get it.
There was
It's
a
not
lot of
fun movie.
videos of her playing cricket in her massive
The
balcony.
whole PR is that only that she worked very hard. What to do about
Actually,
that?
that Sayami Kher is a much better cricketer. She's done a
what?
couple of cricket films. She's played a cricketer in one movie and she's played a spinner, like a one.
She's played
I
Kachra.
think a paraplegic cricketer or something like that in
Oh yeah,
another
yeah,
film.
Abhishek Bachchan. It's the Abhishek
हाँ,
Bachchan
वो
movie,
she's
of
played a
course.
cricketer in another, and I've
Yeah,
seen
yeah.
her reels that she can actually play. I think she's probably represented.
See,
कहीं
now
पे
we
तो.
don't know. We didn't get PR of her.
नहीं, सयामी खेर का PR कौन ही कर रहा हूँ, हाँ?
We'll do it.
She's on CricBuzz. Yeah, Sayami Kher is on CricBuzz. She's
Okay.
actually a very cool cricket.
We'll do PR for her.
I like Sayami Kher. She's a good
Yeah,
actor
she's
also.
good,
She has
she's
nice look, interesting
Yeah.
face.
Unfortunate first movie with it was unfortunate.
Mirzia.
Mirzia.
Mirzia. हाँ, correct. हाँ.
Okay, I want to
बॉम्बे
before
का
we
नंबर
end
1
this
DM
episode.
खोर आदमी.
शांतनु ऐसे नहीं बोलते no. Cut.
Not at all, यार.
ठीक है, डालो यार,
He's
अभी क्या?
DM'd out already.
Not at all. I'm not fitting into
He'll
the-
come everywhere he goes.
Wow. Okay, no, but I think we should pay ode to Iqbal. I feel like Iqbal is a really sweet, well-made movie about aspiration and breaking barriers. And
What a debut.
what a debut.
What a
What a
debut.
performance, what music, what story,
Amazing.
everything.
Shreyas Talpade was amazing. It was
Brilliant.
directed well.
I feel like this generation should watch Iqbal. I don't think it's spoken about enough. I feel like our generation knows it.
You know what I've heard? I've heard some goss.
Tell them.
The original film had no songs and it was 3 hours and 20 minutes long. And Subhash Ghai saw the film and he was like, Nagesh Kukunur, what have you done? So he just locked him out of the edit room, sat with the footage, cut out 50 minutes, put Ashaएं and like ek do
Good call.
gaane,
Good call.
and like reduced the footage by an hour or something, and then that is how the final film was made. Subhash Ghai basically went like, ये नहीं चलेगी 3.5 घंटे की slow film about a deaf dumb cricketer with no
Yeah.
songs, nothing
Yeah,
aspirational.
yeah. No, Ashaएं really elevates the
record
movie.
करके डलवाया, 1 घंटा footage कटवाया. That's how Iqbal apparently was made.
Asha really elevates the movie. And it's again, I feel like when cricket is used as...
बहुत it fell from 8th floor से ground floor तक गिरते आया वो. Like Renuka Shah ने.
Actually, can we talk about movies that have random cricket scenes?
Random
like
cricket,
Hum
let's
Aapke
hear.
Hai Kaun? I love
हम
it.
आपके कौन family cricket, random
Family
cricket. Very good. Chamatkar.
Which Tuffy plays cricket and he's the
Umpire.
umpire. I love it. I love it.
I wanted that.
Yeah.
We
Then
used to do family
Chamatkar.
cricket matches.
Random children used to watch y'all. Because
No, no,
now
no.
आपके हैं called random
वो
children. are sitting.
family friends के साथ we used to do. You have also
Boy
done.
girl cap you used to
You've
wear.
done sarkari
I
bureaucratic.
didn't do. I used to watch. I didn't play.
So you were the random children.
I was that. Oh.
You were the random
boy,
children while we
girl
played.
cap. Oh, you're right. You're right. This is actually very realistic.
We'll do
movie.
boy girl caps next time we
We'll
shoot
do,
an
we'll
episode.
do.
An
And which
episode.
other movie? Chamatkar has random cricket
Chamatkar
scenes.
has some comedy cricket. So comedy cricket में quick Chamatkar has Marco Nasiruddin Shah
He's a
playing
ghost.
a ghost who's with Shah Rukh Khan, who's a cricket coach,
Yeah.
and he basically does a just हाथ पकड़ के he's making a ball fly
It's कोई
around.
मिल गया cricket.
कोई मिल गया बास्केटबॉल का क्रिकेट
Oh,
सिमिलर कॉमेडी क्रिकेट इज देयर इन जब प्यार किया तो डरना क्या where there's an intercollegiate game where
Yeah.
they even the tooting well type of homophobic spinner
So
happens.
annoying, bro.
You remember?
So annoying.
And that character is like winking at the batsman and the
It's so
batsman is like getting
unnecessary.
distracted like hey hatna and then he-
मैं काहे लड़ू रहा हूँ? ये तो पवन का झोंका मेरे बदन को हिला रहा है, डुला रहा है।
How unnecessary is that?
करके
What the
spinning
heck?
the ball and all is happening.
Thank God we're not in that era anymore. Na? Actually, the recent movie we saw, Shantanu, had a lot of this.
100%.
Forgetting
We
the
are still in
Pati
that era.
Patni or
Mudassar
Dodo.
Aziz.
Yeah, please stop this
Mudassar
thing.
Aziz made a fairly homophobic film
Very homophobic,
called
yeah.
मैं मेरी पत्नी
The
और मेरे
humor
दो
has
पत्नी
to
और
expand between showing like a straight man playing a gay guy in the most stereotypical way. You need to go beyond
Yeah.
this. It's now boring to watch this thing.
But interesting that we discussed cricket today because there are two big cricket films that are coming out. One that we discussed with
You
the
were telling
Ashutosh
me, yeah,
Gawarikar
yeah.
cricket film with Amir and Farhan.
Super exciting.
And also the Dada biopic.
Ah.
Saurav Ganguly biopic is on the way and India's one finest actor is playing him, Rajkumar Rao.
Very nice.
It's going to be, I'm very excited
Who's
for that.
directing this?
Vikramaditya
Oh, it'll be a
Motwane is
banger, it'll be a
directing this.
banger. Cool.
Motwane directing, Rajkumar Rao
Love
acting,
it, dude.
Dada ka
Good one.
story. This is the trifecta is cool.
I love it.
Try
So
that.
cool. We have lots to look forward to.
Yeah,
Awesome
we'll do
cricket
a
movies.
follow-up of a cricket episode.
Little
where
women's cricket team also, they should make like a Chak De version. Huh? Like someone as talented as Shimit Amin should make a
Smriti
Chak De.
Mandhana biopic.
Smriti Mandhana biopic.
Yeah.
Yeah. What a moment.
Oh, they should
They
release.
didn't release. They're not
They should
releasing
release
it only.
Anushka Sharma's
Yeah,
Dulan. It's
yeah.
called Chakra Express.
Yeah.
If Netflix,
They
if you're
won't
watching
release
this, stop giving more title marketing opportunities to other film influencers and also release Chakra Express.
Yeah. And on that note, we can stop talking about this because we've reached a point where we're talking about movies that will not release ever. So I feel like we've exhausted this topic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So anyway.
But can you like, share, subscribe, please?
Like, share, subscribe to the Popcorn Hour.
Yes.
If you like what Akanksha says or what I
Or
say.
you don't like, you can subscribe also.
Still
You
like.
don't have to
Please
like.
subscribe. We really need you to subscribe because
Yeah.
the number of people that watch our show as opposed to the number of people who've subscribed is alarmingly low.
And it doesn't take much to click on a button and
Just
subscribe.
click on the damn button. Just click
do
now.
it.
Oh, wow, that's good. It's somehow nicer if you're the
Angry.
You're bad cop.
Okay.
I'll be good cop. So you yell at them.
Do it right fucking now. Do it.
Please do it. Namaste. Clap.